I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to block someone on Facebook. For that, first of all, open up your Facebook app on your phone. After you open up your app, on top right side you will see a search icon. Tap on it. Now enter the name of a person you want to block. And when you are done, tap on search, which is on bottom right. Now go to their profile. And there you'll see a 3-dot menu icon. Tap on it. Select block. A pop-up message will appear on your screen asking if you are sure you want to block. Tap on block. This way you can easily block anyone on Facebook. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.